Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the custom error module does not recognize this error in Microsoft Outlook, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, although it is related to Outlook, we will troubleshoot it at Microsoft Office's level itself. So first of all, check for the Microsoft server status. Okay, Outlook server status, search for it on any browser. Now it says that it is down, which is a very sorry thing. Copilot itself has answered that it is down. So if the server is down, you cannot do anything about it. In that case, you will have to wait, or scroll down and select this option at status.cloud.microsoft.com, because see, the Outlook app picks all the information from the cloud itself, and if that is affected, then Outlook itself will be affected. Now it says that the site is being updated. Check it in the admin center. We can check it in the admin center, but as we have seen earlier, it is down because Copilot has reported that. The next one is to check for the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? Because Outlook downloads all the files from the online server, so it needs to connect to the internet, and that too with a good enough speed. The next one is to clear browser cache and cookies. Now you may say why? Because we are accessing the emails through the application, but it eventually picks it up from the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Then click on this bin symbol here. Select the time range as all time and select clear now. The last solution will be to reinstall Microsoft Office. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Office. Okay. And okay, we don't find it, so we will search for it. And then click on the three dots associated with it, and then select uninstall, and then select uninstall and uninstall it. Once it is uninstalled completely, go to this website called office.com and hit enter. Click on sign in. Now, if you want to install the Microsoft 365 version, you can install apps from here. But if you have the home and office version, then click on your profile picture, select my Microsoft account, wait for it to load, and then go to this option subscriptions, and scroll down and install this from the Microsoft Office subscription. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.